New for 2023, introducing the Muddy Mitigator. State-of-the-art technology and all of the features of the Command Pro app at an entry-level price. More cameras, better scouting, and more successful hunts. 80-foot detection and flash range means users can cover more area with one camera. The Muddy Mitigator is designed to work with the all-new Command Pro app, featuring on-demand photo capture, allowing users to check the function of the camera, as well as to see what is happening in front of the camera, all from the user's phone. Dual network pre-installed SIM cards make the Mitigator compatible with both Verizon and AT&T networks. The Mitigator searches for the best available signal and automatically connects to the strongest network for faster download speeds and connectivity. The all-new mapping page reveals multiple layers and allows users to manage cameras based on location. New adjustable PIR sensitivity gives users even more control over what the camera detects. AI animal recognition software automatically sorts photos into categories like bucks and does. Photos can be filtered by species, time of day, moon phase, temperature, and more. The Command Pro app's custom tagging feature allows users to tag specific animals and sort photos to find patterns. Night Color AI takes black and white night images and automatically colors them with true-to-life color. Users can download HD photos directly from the app to their phone. Affordable data plans start as low as $4 a month, and without fees to unlock hidden capabilities and new multi-camera discounts. Users can put more cameras on their property for less. The latest in technology for a great price. The all-new Mitigator from Muddy.